Welcome to Casa Rosada in Indian Wells, featuring an exceptional 3-bedroom, 3-bath condominium. The stunning mountainside backdrop offers timeless views with a community pool and spa just steps away. Whether you're looking for a lock-and-leave second home or a full-time residence, this property could be the perfect fit. I'm Stephen Pearson from Coldwell Banker Realty, presenting this new listing that you won't want to overlook. It comes fully furnished and move-in ready. Don't miss out. Contact me today for a private tour and further details before it's too late.